Hey man, J Rock Customs, JRC. Y'all make sure y'all follow him on Instagram, follow him on YouTube. Just pick the kid up. We about to go get this U-Haul. And then yeah, we about to pack this boy up. I'm trying to be here less than 24 hours. I hate Kansas, I'm telling you. But yeah, about to go pick this truck up and then head to the shop, go pack it up. Got the truck. I know, you got it. Yeah, he got the key to the shop. But yeah, we about to jump in this 15 foot. I'm gonna stuff as much as I can, man. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get everything in there. But we gotta make it work. So I'm gonna take everything that's important and all the parts and like all them spare tires and stuff. That I'm gonna put that in last, man. I don't really need none of that right now. But I do need the 4 for the box Chevy so I can take the bulbs off. So once I get it running, I can put it in the backyard. I'm ready to work on it again. But yeah, let me let this truck warm up, do a little pre-trip, and then make sure I'm good to go. Hey, I did the pre-trip. Let me show y'all something. Look at this, a U-Haul. I ain't even got a CD player, bro. I ain't even got a CD player. Like, I don't have Bluetooth or a CD player. Type of stuff is that. But let me tell y'all about budget, man. Budget is, the first time it was a bad experience. The second time was even worse, because the second time, look, they just called me like, they called me the 17th, 2 days ago. 2 days ago from when the day I was supposed to pick up the truck from them and say, yeah, the truck ain't available no more. Like, what you mean it ain't available? I was reserved it like a month ago. They say, due to the holidays, FedEx and UPS bought us out. I rented this truck. I put this in like 3 weeks ago. About a month. What do you mean? It's not available. Like, so I had no choice but to go with U-Haul. U-Haul pretty expensive, man, but they trucks are more reliable than budget. Their tires, everything, like they service their stuff better, if you ask me. But yeah, that kind of made me hot, man. Like, you don't do that. That's just foul, man. But I'm about to go check out this trailer because I'm trying to buy a trailer to bring a car back. I'm not telling y'all what it is to the end of the video because I don't want it to not go through. But yeah, I'm trying to go get a trailer, so I'm about to go inspect some and then we'll see how it goes. But I'll cut y'all back on when I get to the trailer spot. We at the trailer spot. So he say you got the black and the red. A 16 and an 18. I'm guessing these two here. Here's the 16. It's the 18. This thing little. Definitely can't mess with that. It's more than likely gonna be this one. Kind of beat up. I don't feel like he asking too much, but I just don't want to spend the money right now, for real.
We use this one before.
I used all of them except that one on the end. I use this. I use this. I use that. I don't know what I moved what with. I had to look at the video. I think I moved at 300 with that red one. I had some kind of small car on this one. But yeah, this Peach Trailers. He buy, sell, trade, fix, repair, remodel, all that with the trailers. So he said 7 o'clock, so we'll see. I'm just gonna pack up as much as I can. Wait on him to let me know. He don't want to sell none of the good stuff like this. He said the steel deck is not for sale. It's like, all right, man, all right. We got it. He got it. All the good stuff. All right, man, we made it. For everybody who don't know, or who are new to the channel, this was the shop right here. This was the shop. So we about to open it up and then give y'all a little walkthrough. Well, I can't walk through because it's too much stuff. Like, I packed everything up in there. And then I'm gonna mount and balance these tires in here while I'm here. This JRC over here. getting it on. His 3 foot wider than mine.
Dirty as fuck.
Hey, that's what the shop look like when you work. That tire machine, table saw. We about to pull these babies out. Ooh, fridge! I've been thinking about this. Putting this in the basement. Oh, he still ain't do nothing with that motor, huh? Here's the truck. Everybody asking about the truck. It's coming in a couple months. Yeah, we're gonna throw these on the 2-door. Just so I get them cracks and folds off. And these tires ain't all that bad either. But yeah, we're gonna use them. That's the 8.5 I was playing with. Got all the stuff right there. Just ain't put it back together. Dang. Box Chevy battery dead and the key. Unlock fob is dead, so probably ain't gonna be able to start it, but yeah, it's all the shop stuff. These truck full of stuff for the tote full of stuff for the truck. What is it? Oh, this audio for the truck. A lot of this stuff for the truck. It's welder. It's a bunch of spares I had. Oh, you go that spare tire for that truck I was talking about. It's down here. Need a couple of these for the wheels I'm trying to put on the 2-door. And then some of this is just house stuff I had. Then yeah, from the looks, man, should be able to get all this up in there. She'll be able to, but we about to find out here in a second. So we just about to work. I might just put those BF wheel rich dry rotted tires on. You know that other tire like that? Yeah, I just put them on, keep them other wheels plain looking. Yeah, we should be able to get this done. Couple hours. Put y'all back on when it's empty and just the car sitting right here. But yeah. Be back.
Yeah, I got. Hey, dude, you got a home there.
It's like a reunion. Jade up.
What up?
With a cup. He stayed with the cup.
Oh, like always, baby.
About to charge this thing. Y'all see the old school in the depth. Camera cut out. My bad. Just trying to get some good footage.
Yes, yes.
Oh, baby. Alright, man. It's taking longer than we expected. We stopped, ate, all kind of stuff. But so like I was saying in one of the last couple videos, I'm thinking about doing my whole color scheme that I was doing with this car to the 2-door, because I already got it. And not even the color scheme, the whole scheme. So I might just take this grill, the dash, all that stuff, take it with me. But we ain't got much left, down to the crumbs. Bought like 6 totes. We definitely gonna need like 2 more. Thanks to JRC helping the dog clean this up. Man, I definitely need to start keeping every single thing in boxes, because it's so much easier when you got little 1s and 2s all over the place. Now you gotta worry about packing that stuff up, and that's what's taking long, because a lot of this stuff should already be like in something, you know. So that's what's killing us, man. But say like another 30 minutes, because some of this I ain't taking all this. Like these parts don't need right now. That's parts for a small block. Glad I just seen these sanders, because I definitely need all these sanders. Whew, I would have been kind of hurt if I ain't see those. Need this harmonic balancer. These washers probably. Definitely need this saw. Taking the welder. So a whole bunch of small block parts, keeping that here. Trailer tire, take it with the trailer. Put put this in the van, put this TV in the van. When I come back and get this car, I'll put that roof in there, probably put some drain lines, just enough for me to be able to not get flooded if it having the rain while I pull this car, which I hope not. I gotta rewire the trailer if everybody ain't seen that on Instagram. So I got all this there, you know. I got a long power wire that power the brakes, the disc brakes on the trailer. But I just gotta go from, I ain't gotta do the whole trailer. So literally, I'm gonna show y'all the wiring scheme of it with all the markers and everything. With these, it started at the 7-pin harness up, go literally all the way around the trailer, and then end back on the other side of where it started. This just go 7-pin down to the brakes. So yeah, I gotta rewire that. Hopefully it don't be too cold when I do that. I'm gonna use some J-Rock tools because I'm taking off mine. I'm bringing some soldering connections, stuff like that. But other than that, man, yeah, we just clearing it up. Alright, what's up, man? It's the next day, so it might be kind of loud in this truck. Sound loud. Wind, and then the exhaust setup. But I'm driving back now. I ain't get everything because I didn't need it all, but I got all of what I need and then some more. But I might have to adjust how I was gonna set it up, because like I said in the video when I brought on the box Chevy to the house, the garage is smaller than what it actually appears to be. But plans fell through on the car I was gonna bring because of the trailer issue. But the guy who I was trying to buy the trailer from, he has multiple trailers, and I talked to him 3 weeks ago, I talked to him last week, and I talked to him 3 days ago. Yesterday it was 2 days ago. And then when I talked to him last night, he only wanted to sell two certain trailers, which he didn't tell me. And then he wanted to take the tag, which he didn't tell me. The trailer that I wanted didn't have brakes, which he didn't tell me. And then he didn't feel comfortable with it going 14 hours. So if you selling something and you don't feel comfortable with it, of course I ain't gonna feel comfortable with it. So I just said, alright, forget it. So that was that. Alright, so now, yeah, that's maybe next time for this video. I mean, it ain't gonna be on the first trip, but maybe next time. Maybe. If I can find another truck that I feel like could pull 3 cars, which I doubt I'll find, then we can adjust. But I don't feel like I can find another truck that can tow in time. But anyway, I already got 5 hours sleep, bro. I'm about to be rolling, boy, all the way up. 14 hours. I got like 3 of them now locked out. But that's it, man. Just letting y'all know what's going on. Cut y'all back on once I get to the house, and then probably tomorrow unload the stuff. Come up with my new layout while I'm thinking and driving. But yeah, man, I'm out. I'm ashy. Just got out the shower. Closing out the video though. I got here about 11:10 last night. And I just parked the truck, went to sleep. What up, LBZ? What's up, baby? You ain't gonna talk, just wanna play. Anyway, man, that's it. I'm gonna download at least half of that truck today. Put stuff where it gotta go, build some shelves, all kind of stuff like that. I might record, I might not, but we'll see. But thanks for watching. If y'all watch to the end, say end watchers. And then I know you watch to the end. It'll show the real supporters. But yeah, that's all, man. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm out.